Hi guys, welcome to Hub and Oak, and today we have a very special guest with us, Mr. HARSHIT Aggarwal, founder of Orama Solutions. So, hi sir. Firstly, I just wanted to know, can you give me a brief about Orama Solutions and how did you get into this business?
Sure. So, Orama Solutions is a visual AI company.
Yeah.
We create visual inspection systems for manufacturing industry. Our main clients are in automotive industry. So, you can imagine of the top names in automotive: Tata Motors, Hero MotoCorp, Honda Motorcycle. All of them are our customers.
Oh, that are quite big brands.
Yeah. And so this idea actually transpired during COVID. I belong to the manufacturing industry, and I was in the Corona times. We were sitting at home, not knowing what to do, and we have a lot of time to think. So we decided that how can we improve the quality of the Indian manufacturing industry. So in India, you see people are there, they are standing on assembly lines, doing quality inspection, checking all the products, there are any defects, trying to see everything is okay, not okay. So that is a manual process. So we said, how do we automate this? And we decided to use AI with cameras. And now today, whatever you can do with your eyes, and sometimes beyond that, we can do with cameras.
Exactly.
So that is the power of AI.
Right.
So that has been the inspiration, and that's how the company started in 2020. And this year was our first year of revenues, and next year we have big plans. So yeah.
Very nice. Moving on, I'll be asking, are there any specific challenges you have overcome during establishing your business?
Yes, absolutely. So this, as I said, we were incorporated during Corona.
Obviously.
So we could not go out there and do the marketing bit, but
Country was in lockdown.
Correct. So it gave us a lot of time to develop the technology, and today there are about 4 or 5 other companies in this field, but the technology that Orama Solutions is having is one of the finest in India. That is one. The other part is that we were not having any background in automotive or in selling these kind of automated solutions. So it took a lot of time for us, and we did many exhibitions, we went to many trade fairs, and going to the user, and it was a new technology because AI in manufacturing was not heard of before.
Exactly.
So it was difficult for us to convince the first customer. So slowly we started with doing proof of concept and demo, and one by one then
Baby
customers
steps.
It was a long journey of almost 2 years to trying to get our first order, but after that it has been
there's no looking back.
Yes.
Can you please tell us how automation works and how it is benefiting your business?
So as I said, we extensively use artificial intelligence, and a lot of people have this myth that AI is a very complex thing, but it is not. It is actually a very simple thing. Like what we do with visual inspection is that if you look at a small child and the child has to learn how a cat looks like, how you will teach that child? You will probably show different pictures of a cat.
Pictures of cats, right?
And after 10 different pictures, the 11th different picture that you put, the child is able to say that yes, this is a cat, right?
Yeah.
So this is human intelligence.
Exactly.
And exactly this has been replicated in AI.
Artificial intelligence.
So it's actually very simple, and so this is what we do. We take sample images, how a good part looks like, how a bad part looks like, how a defect looks like, and we classify them and we create solutions out of that. So this has really impacted our customers, and there is another very big myth about AI that it is taking away jobs. So far wherever we have deployed our solutions, we have not taken away even a single person's job. In fact, our solutions are more focused on increasing the company revenue. So how they do that is that they increase their quality, and because the quality has increased, sometimes they are able to increase their revenue based on that. So for example, I will give you one customer. They were having only 20% share of a particular client supply. Okay. And after our solution was implemented, their share has gone from 20% to 35%. So it was almost a very big jump in growth, because they could improve their quality using our solution. So that is how the benefit that they are able to gauge.
Yeah. Speaking of the complexities and simplicities, I just wanted to know what problems like come up with AI and how Orama Solutions handle them.
Right. So I can only speak of the visual inspection field. That's AI in my field, and so AI is, you are giving a lot of data to a computer, and we are living in a world of data, right? We are collecting data from everywhere.
Right.
So it is very important to feed the right data to the computer so that the computer can correctly define what is a good part and what is a bad part.
Right.
So this is what our expertise is, that how do you filter data, what kind of data should actually go in so that the system is very, very reliable and the accuracy level is very high. So like our systems, we operate at accuracy levels of more than 99%. That, you know, this is a improvement of almost 20% over manual inspection or even over the older vision systems. So we have been able to add a lot of value to the industry that way. So this is something which you can say as our USP. And the other thing is that, you know, when we talk about AI, we say that, oh, we have to collect so much of data. That is another area where we focus, because our AI is based on very, very few images. So the AI is very quick. The development is very quick.
Very quick, right. So basically accuracy
and speed of deployment. Yeah, that's the two things.
Last but not the least, I would like to ask, how do you stay motivated at work? Because as a founder, it is like very hectic to handle each and everything and micromanage, or not even micromanage. You just have to see and overview each and everything very carefully. So how do you stay motivated?
So I think it is more of a passion for us, because you know, as I said that I already belong to a manufacturing industry, and I was you know, we've been having that business. But this is where my passion is, you know, actually going to the shop floor, solving problems, understanding the problems, and trying to create value for the customer. Our customers have got success stories where, you know, their line managers are getting promoted by implementing our solutions. So we are making an impact. We are touching people's lives. We are, you know, even if you look at our team, we have not, you know, we are taking very like freshers, and we are trying to train them and then, you know, make an impact there. So that is what we believe, that you have to make an impact somewhere, and I think that is what is really driving us.
Very nice. So guys, this was Mr. Harshit Aggarwal. That's all for today. Follow us for more such exciting content.